What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Style, back with another video. Guys, man, y'all know I've been going through it this whole week, but y'all already know, man, I'm gonna keep my head high and I'm gonna keep it pushing, man. We're gonna knock them down as they come. But I was out riding in my Lexus, guys, and my check engine light come on, man. Y'all know I keep my little my with me at all times, man. So I put my ODB in, and it told me I had a misfire on cylinder 6. Y'all can see I'm in the back of AutoZone right now. Pulled up, brought a new ignition coil. About to swap that out, guys. So I'm gonna turn this here camera around and I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, guys. So, like I said, I got my new ignition coil, and it was on cylinder 6. And as y'all know, they go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank God that it was 6, not none of the 1, 3, and 5. You know, I thank God for that, man. It's a simple fix, y'all. Like I told y'all, man, I've been having problems every day with both of my vehicles. But you know, I thank the Lord that, you know, the problems that they've been having, it's been simple problems, man. So with this ignition coil, guys, all you're gonna need is one. You're just gonna need your 10mm, guys. That's it. It's just one 10mm bolt. And like I told y'all again, they go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you ever get that misfire, guys, and I can look right here and clearly see that this one been replaced in the past. So as y'all can see, man, I already took my 10mm bolt out, and I'm gonna just pull this sucker out, guys. And man, as y'all can see, it's nice and clean, but I do see a little, when I say nice and clean, guys, I mean we don't have any oil on it. But I do see that it could have been cleaned up, man. I could have just probably brought me a little bottle of WD-40, sprayed it on a rag and wiped it off. But guys, I'm so done with these problems, man. Till the punch, but you know, $100, man. $100, man. Close to the holidays, cost your boy $100 and a little bit of my time. So guys, that's what today's video consists of. And actually, man, I wasn't gonna even much do a video today, guys. But I guess this is just the Lord's way of saying, just keeping me busy. But yeah, I'll cut y'all back on. Let me take this here out the plastic, man. Y'all can see, man, I wasn't even much dressed for this occasion, guys. But hey, it's all good. So I'll cut y'all back on in a hot second, man. Let me get this here. I don't want this here staying open too long. And it's just that simple, man. As y'all can see, I got it up in here, guys. We're gonna put this here 10mm back. Alright, guys. So as y'all can see, I'm just tightening it down right now. And you want it tight, but you don't want to over tighten it. And you just plug your clip right back into it, guys. And it's that simple. It's that simple, guys. So as y'all see, in less than 5 minutes, I replaced my ignition coil on my 6-cylinder, guys. And when you do this here, you just want to go around and just check your other ones, check your other connectors and things like that, and make sure that those is like tight as well, guys, because sometimes these here cables tend to shake loose. Depends on, you know, how you drive and what you're driving on, guys. These here cables tend to shake loose, and sometimes it'll send a bad code to a good coil plug. So, like I said, guys, y'all keep that in mind. Me, I didn't want to go through it, man. I was close to this AutoZone. I had a little money in my pocket, guys, and I just pulled over and just swapped it out, man. So, yeah, that's pretty much it, man. And come over here, just look at my vacuum lines. Everything look good. Some posters from the last video, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna go to button it back up. We got the old one here. We just gonna button it back up. Get back in. See if the light on, guys. If the light on, you wanna reset your light. If the light off, leave it off. And it's that simple, guys. Y'all don't need to bring y'all cars to the shop for nothing like this. The shop gonna charge you $100 just to do what I just did, guys. Just to use a 10mm and a baby socket at that. So, yeah, guys, that pretty much wrapped this up. Hopefully, you know. So we gonna get back into this here truck, and we gonna see if the problem went away or not. Fingers crossed, guys. Hopefully it went away. But as y'all can see, man, I don't leave the house without this thing, guys. And actually, like, when my Tahoe was tripping, going into reduce mode, man, this the only thing that saved me, guys. Don't you know, like, you know, I used to flash the codes in the middle of me driving. Yeah, but but anyway, guys, let's start her up right fast, and we'll both see. So far, so good, guys. And I mean, it's riding real good. It's riding nice and tight, man. But yeah, guys, like I said, man, if you get that code, and what is it? It's a po356 code, guys. And remember, the last number of the code gonna always be the cylinder, guys. And in my case, it was cylinder 6. You know, I'm grateful that it was 246, guys. So yeah, just 5 minutes, $100, and it looked like we back in the game, man. You know, guys, that's why I make these videos, guys. You know, because some people, man, some people have these problems, guys, and they just tend to bring them to the shop. And I can utmost guarantee you today, you'd have been out at least $350. That's parts and labor. So simple things like this, guys, you know, hey, I don't mind, man. So yeah, like I tell you guys, man, that's why I make these videos, you know, just for little reasons like this, guys. Like I had that little transmission thing slipped off of my Tahoe. It left me stranded at the 7-Eleven, guys. My shift linkage came off. I was stranded, but you know, I'm thankful for to have a little bit, you know, a little knowledge, man. A little knowledge go a long ways, you know. I know I'm not a mechanic, but, you know, I have a little knowledge, and I'm thankful for the little knowledge that I do have, guys. And, you know, that little knowledge, it saves me. Like today, you know, it saved me at least $250, $300, guys. Y'all know y'all bring these cars to the shop. First thing they see is Lexus. That's the first thing that they see, Lexus, guys. And, you know, the old school saying, with these here cars, guys. The maintenance is hard to keep up. And I beg to differ, you know. The maintenance on these cars is just like the maintenance on any other car. What it comes down to is the parts. You know, maybe you might spend a little bit more for the parts that go on this car than you would for a Chevy. But, you know, that's my opinion. And I think, you know, they all around the same prices, guys. You know, alternators, starters, it's the same prices. But what happened with these cars, you know, these folks get these cars, man, and they have problems, man. When you got like Lexus and Mercedes and Audis, things of that nature, man. So when you get a problem, you know, your first initial thought is the shop, man. And that's where things get hefty, you know, when you're bringing them to the shop, man. Because the shop see these German cars, and they just automatically assume that you got some money. So quick lesson, guys. You know, don't be so eager to bring the car to the shop, man. Get you one of these little devices right here, guys, and I promise you, man, scan that code and get on YouTube, guys. You know, see what others are saying. Watch a couple of videos, and I guarantee you, man, you'll find yourself out there in your garage or your driveway wrenching, guys. So with that being said, man, we had just about 4 miles, guys. I put just about 4 miles on it. And as y'all can see. So I'm gonna end this video like this here, guys. Hey, hope everybody out there have a blessed Friday, have a nice weekend, wonderful weekend, guys. Y'all already know it's your boy Big Smurf from the Whip Style. Y'all know that positive live spray, positive vibes, guys. So until the next video, we'll see y'all again. Peace. Baby,